Okay, so here we are, the first revision technique, and it's my favourite by far, and it's the one I've used all the way up from about the age of 15 till being 33 years old now, and it's the best one. But the only problem is, looking at that page now, it's going to take you at least, I'd say, 15 minutes to learn that page. But there's no quick win here. Like, highlighting it, doing things like that will not make a difference, so you have to try and learn it off by heart. So I'd start off by saying there are only 4 sections I need to learn it: animal cell, plant cell, yeast cell, bacteria cell, and this is rubbish. This is like, I think, some sort of joke at the bottom. Okay, so I'd start off by doing the animal cell. Now, there is no point copying out the whole thing and then copying out again. That's stupid. Just copy out the bits that you need to know. So, for example, in the middle there's going to be the nucleus, so I just put an N because I'll remember that. Then there's going to be the little squares, what are they called? They're called mitochondria, so I might just put mite to try and remember. Then there's the kind of gooey stuff, which is the cytoplasm, O, and then there's the cell membrane. So there are only, is that the only thing? Yeah, there's only 4 things on there. So what I do first of all is I would then, after I've had a bit of a go at it, I would cover that up and I'd try and do it again and see if I could do it again. So now, I remember there was a bit around the edge. There was the cell membrane. There was those squares, what are they called? Mitochondria. What else was there? Cytoplasm, that's the gooey stuff. And say I finished there, I'd look back at my notes and realise there was one bit I missed out. I missed out the nucleus, and then I'd do it again. And I'd keep on doing it again and again until I could do it off by heart and easily. Okay, so now I've learnt that first section. Whoops, oh God, don't go away. Right, now I've done that first section, I now need to do the second section, so I'm just going to make that small, put it over there for a sec. Right, so the second section is the plant cell. And I'll do exactly the same as what I did before, where I do that kind of bit in the middle, and then I'd say the main bits, and you get the idea. Now, once you've learnt the plant cell, you then have to test yourself on both the animal cell and the plant cell. And then you do the next one, you do the yeast cell as well. And then you test yourself on the plant cell, the animal cell, and the yeast cell. Then you do the same with the bacteria and test yourself on all 4. And that's basically the technique. If you do that every single day, I guarantee you, I reckon you should do maybe like 4 or 5 pages a day. That will work. That'll be a really simple way of revising.